What we have here. We were waiting for big, Nothing Phone 2 news to break any day now. And it looks like we have finally received that news we were looking for. As time gets closer to the release of any phone launch, we slowly but surely get small incremental leaks of specs and design language of the specific device. As we inch closer to release of the Nothing Phone 2 on July 11, we now have a pretty good idea of what the phone was going to be rocking internally. We were just waiting on real-world usage leaks like what we got with the upcoming Google Pixel 8 Pro. Today, we finally put the puzzle together on the Nothing Phone 2. The YouTube channel Marcus Brown, Liam KBHD, released a new video exclusively showing off the Nothing Phone 2, and more importantly, its new glyph interface. In the video, what you are looking at now shows the handset does have some notable differences with its look, like a new light gray color and transparent rear case that looks to have a slightly more rounded look when compared to the previous model. In addition, it will have a slightly revised design when it comes to the glyph interface, breaking up the familiar lighting pattern into more sections, and more LED lights added to the back panel as well. The Nothing Phone 1 made use of 12 individual LED lights, but the upcoming model will come in far above that amount with 33. A large portion of the LED lights will be housed in the upper right section of the circular lighting design, making use of 16 LED lights on its own, and will be able to offer visual progress for a variety of functions like indicating the volume level, countdown timers, Uber pickups, and more. This won't be a feature that will natively work with all apps, and developers will have to get on board if they want to take advantage. It could become a simple and effective way to visually see progress in different apps. Users will also be able to create custom visualizations and ringtones using the new Glyph Opposer. For the most part, this video gives those eager a small taste of what to expect with the Phone 2. There's a lot of anticipation for the handset, and while most of its hardware is already known, Nothing OS 2.0 could become the part that ends up making a real difference. The notable difference between the Nothing Phone 1 2 is the screen size increase from 6.5 inches to 6.7 inches in the Phone 2, as well as an increased battery size at 4,700 milliamp hours and the upgraded processor with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. Thankfully, there's only a week until launch, so it will be interesting to see what kinds of other important features the Phone 2 will bring. As of now, the company still seems to be relying on gimmicks. But one area that could really set this phone apart from its competitors is its price, which could really make or break this handset's debut in the United States. A new report we uncovered for you here at Sim Studios. It's a pre-launch listing for this device on India internet shopping site Flipkart, which, similar to our Amazon here in the States, has a surprising listing on the potential price of this device. Now, a retailer in France leaked pricing at a conversion to US dollars at $788 US dollars. That seemed way too high of a price to pay for this Nothing Phone 2 in our opinion, and we were definitely hoping this was not the case. Now, India's Flipkart is listing the device at 40,000 rupees, which converts to 487 US dollars. Now, that's more like it. If that is the case, if Nothing can price this device below $500 at launch, they will sell a ton of them, and we believe can hit our projected sales goals of selling 800,000 to possibly 1 million units, depending on how the device is marketed. Music to our ears, we will be getting a Nothing Phone 2 here at the Sim Studios, and we'll be updating you on reviews, performance, news, software updates, and everything else in between. Stay tuned for more Nothing Phone 2 coverage and subscribe to our eSIM Studios channel, as we will be live streaming the Nothing launch event for the Phone 2 next week. Thank you for viewing the video and our channel. We will be back soon with any late breaking tech news for you. We're out. Peace.